How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up modifier meshes in Anycubic Slicer. Now it's going to be extremely simple. So you just want to import your model onto Anycubic Slicer. And from here, the first thing that you want to do is to click on it, right click, and then select the add modifier option. So I'm going to be selecting a cube, and from here you could resize this modifier the way you want to. So in my case, I'm just going to be resizing it. Very simple. So let's say that we want to edit this part of this area right here. So it's going to be this one. And then right after, we could then go ahead and click on the actual modifier. From here, you then have to edit this specific part depending on your preference. So let's say that we want to edit something like others. This is going to be the simplest way in order for you guys to show it. So in here on this specific part, let's go ahead and apply a fuzzy skin. So if we click on this splice plate option, it will only apply the fuzzy skin onto this specific part of the area. So as you can go ahead and see, on this specific part where we have added our modifier, it has applied our fuzzy skin, and on the other side, it seems simple and normal. And so you could go ahead and apply modifiers right here if you want to. So you could edit out the ironing, the flow ratio, so on and so forth. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.